ChatGPT be a good teacher? Hello coders and those who are just starting their programming journey. Today I have a special video for you as we explore life hacks and approaches that will make your programming learning easier. And most interestingly, we will use ChatGPT to make this process even more exciting and efficient. Let's get started. The first question I want to ask you is, how do you use artificial intelligence in your programming learning? Leave your answers in the comments and we'll discuss them later. The first life hack is to use ChatGPT to tackle complex problems. If you're stuck on a problem or don't understand a certain concepts, try entering it into the chat with the GPT model. It can explain the complexity, provide examples, and help you understand the situation. This method will not only save your time, but also provide a clear explanation from an intelligent machine. Surprisingly, ChatGPT can be assistant in code generation. Instead of writing each line manually, input a general description of the task and ask ChatGPT to provide you with starter code. And here you have ready to use initial code. This can significantly simplify your work and speed up the development process. I think you'll also find it interesting to use ChatGPT for creating your own educational projects. Just describe the topic you want to learn and let ChatGPT suggest tasks and how to execute them. This way you can not only learn but also create your own educational materials together with artificial intelligence. To get the maximum benefit from ChatGPT, remember its strength but also its limitation. Use it as an auxiliary tool, not only way of learning. Now, how do you use ChatGPT in your learning? Share your impressions in the comments below. In conclusion, we've explored life hacks in programming learning using ChatGPT. I hope these tips make your journey into coding smoother. Don't forget to experiment and improve your learning method. If you enjoy this information and want to receive even more life hacks, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to not miss the next videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my future programming lessons. Happy coding!